right, you're welcome. This is a question on compound interest, WASSCE September 2024 edition. Mr. Aban invested $1,200 for 3 years at simple interest per annum compound interest. We have to find the interest earned at the end of the 3 years. Remember our previous tutorials we've had on compound interest. We can use two approaches: finding the amount at the end of the 3 years using the formula, or finding the interest at the end of every year and compound it, meaning add it onto the principal. I'll use a formula. You will use the step-by-step approach calculation of the interest, and share your answer in the comment section. Remember, at the end of the 3 years, the amount earned will be equals to the principal times 1 plus rate times what? Exponent n. Where in this case, our principal will be 1,200. Then our rate will be 5%, which is 0.05. Then n is going to be the 3 years. Is per annum, so it's compounded every year. So let's do our substitution. Principal, let's bring the dollar sign, 1,200 times 1 plus 0.05 raised to the power 3. So 1,200, this is become 1.05 all raised to the power 3. So now let's find 1.05 exponent 3 and see what that will give us. So that will be 1.157625. So when we multiply all together, that will be giving you 1389.15. That's 15 cents, right? Now, this value is telling us the amount gathered at the end of the 3 years. So what will be the interest earned on the 1,200? So you can see that amount is equals to principal plus what? Interest. Therefore, interest will be equals to amount minus principal. What is the amount? 1,389,015 cents minus 1,200 dollars, right? So this will be giving you, I think 1,000 will go. So you're left with 189.15. $189.15. What will be the options? The option will be option A. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this based on the individual interest on each of the years. Share that with us in the comment section. Like the video, comment, and subscribe.